Against the odds, a black cat's rescue in a busy tunnel. In the midst of a busy tunnel on a fast road, a couple faced an unexpected dilemma. Despite the danger, they stopped, with a small child and two dogs in their car. Ahead of them, a small black cat, scared and lost. But something pushed them forward. Carefully and with great care, they saved her and brought her to safety. Later in the footage, the cat is completely relaxed, and the dogs, instead of showing tension, accepted her as part of their family. This is not just a story of courage, but of new friendships, where through bravery, love triumphs.